It's good. You too. Man, you already know what time it is. This is boy Jambisco. We done had a banger video. I ain't see what we're doing today, gang. This one caught me a bit off guard. I didn't expect this one, at least not yet. You feel me? I think I would have seen a Cayman or what or who else? A Cayman or Byron collab before I saw a boy and Chronic Claw collab. You know what I'm saying? But this is something I'm glad it happened. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to boy, shout out to Chronic Claw. This is a collab I wasn't expecting so soon. Oh, definitely glad it happened, Carl. You don't know. Boy is very talented and very underrated. Yes, I say in my opinion. And Chronic Claw is one of the best artists out in dancehall in Jamaica right now. Definitely one of the most streamed artists. Yes, me. So yeah, shout out to Chronic Claw, man. Yeah, man. And yeah, so like I said, this one I wasn't expecting, but we're glad we have it. This is Boy featuring Chronic Claw, and this one called Time Runs. You see me? And you don't know, we're not even gonna hold the vibe. We're gonna jump right in the track, and then we're gonna chop it up at the end. This is a crazy collab, gang. So let's check it out. Let's get it. Boy, Chronic Claw, Time Runs.
Boy, fully up, man. You know you cool to see pretty.
Trinidad. Trinidad, stand up.
Them time now, man. Nothing can stop it.
Scratch made it.
My ladies, you don't know we love those. You know what I'm saying?
Get to youths them time young, make it crime done. Blood burn like wine drum. Time runs, make it time run.
Okay, taking a more mellow approach. I thought it was gonna be something like, you know what I'm saying, but hey, alright, let's get it.
Your mind strong, mind strong. Listen me now, brother from another mother, so you know you go. Know them a pussy, so every gun it fuck. Dark and evil, and you don't give a fuck. It's already got innocent people.
Alright, this is the beat melody, but he's still dropping lyrics. Don't get it twisted now. Let's get it.
Flipping it up, me a talk, but Shaki make me sure that there ain't one blast a machine, and we never carry that. How the fuck them off the job, kill the one we never shot a man. Head hot bullet come down like avalanche. The world never know the boy was an innocent one. A innocent one, no more car.
Easy though, more car do what? Hey, yeah, just because I can't, don't mean the man now go drop lyrics, dog. You see what I say?
I know the boy was an innocent one. A innocent one, no more car come like a innocent man. Daughter and a son who them feed the pen pan. Streets just fuck up, so me a defend mine. Corruption I left in no child. Get to youths them time young.
Alright, come in, boy, come in with this. Yeah, I like it. The beat mellow. Yeah, this beat mellow as hell, dog. No cap.
Corruption I left in no child. Get to youths them time young. Make it crime done. Blood burn like wine drum. Time run.
White rum.
Time run. Make it time run.
Like wine. I wonder can it go and jump on the beat, gang.
Know your mind strong. Mind strong.
Boy, time run. Bag of money, wallet swell up like 9 months. Me no left my gun. Rock up, diamond, private.
Boy, bag of money while it swell up like 9 months. So up to them, come on.
Bag of money, wallet swell up like 9 months. Me no left my gun. Rock up, diamond, private pilots. Pull a any island. Links them every night. Fake eyelash. My Glock carry 13 at the belly plus the one in night up. From your never ground so then chop up your lighter.
Easy now, man. Yeah, my gun carry 30 plus one night top from your never grown zone where the lighter. Come on, man. Yeah, man, full of lyrics. Come on, bro. Brad cut diamonds and private pilot. Come in.
Push it 3-wheel right up the timer. But me heart cold just a reminder. Bag a girl but me call everyone Delilah. Third eye open me now have a blind spot. Get a youth from doctors now we a driver. From driver to
bag a girl and call all of them Delilah. Third eye open but me now no blind spot.
Chauffeur in a Chrysler. Youth them a meds deep parks and the diver. Big up every hustler, every survivor. Youth where you push your keys, big up every dialer.
Get to youths them time young. Make it crime done.
This bad. Boy, Chronic Claw, shout out to yourself. Big up on yourself, man. Come on.
Time runs. Time run. Make it time run. Know your mind strong. Mind strong. Get to youths them time young.
Easy now, man. Time runs. Hey, come on, bro. Boy, and Chronic Claw. Real dope ass track, man. Yeah, man. I like the beat. Yo, that beat is just super mellow. You feel me? While still maintaining a bass and a little rhythm, a little vibe. You know what I'm saying? That's crazy. That beat is crazy mellow. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. That was Boy Chronic Claw Time Run. Real dope track, gang. What y'all think about that one, man? Let me know in the comment section, cause yeah, man, that one bad. I like that one there. I like that one a lot. So let me know in the comment section what you think about that one, gang. That's a vibe. You see me? It is a very melodic tune, but he managed to fit some lyrics in it. You see me? I really thought he was gonna be more aggressive with it, considering that's him on Chronic Claw. So I thought it would take more Badman approach. You know what I'm saying? More lyrical. You see me? But don't get it twisted. He did throw some lyrics in there. You see me? Yo, while it swell up like. While it swell up like 9 months, broad cut diamonds and private pilot. Wait, dog say? What the other one the dog say? Broad cut and private pilot 30 in this and one in my head top. Damn, I forgot the lyrics. I just listened to it, gang. I already forget it, man. But yeah, man, shout out to Chronic Claw, man. Doing dope stuff out here. Boy making really dope moves. It's a good look. Like how Trinidad and dancehall artists is linking up, and I think it's gonna be more and more of that happening. You see me? But I definitely thought I would see like a K-Man, or who else? Or Byron, or Skelly's in the 6 too, right? Yeah. So I thought you would have seen them before or Mali. I thought them you would have seen them collab before you would have see a Boy. But hey. Boy doing his thing, man. I guess he made it happen. They linked up and they made a track, and it's mad dope. So shout out to them. Really dope track. Enjoyed it, gang. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. You already know what time it is. It's a vibe. You see me? And yeah, man, like I said, new series coming to the channel, gang. So make sure you check it out and let me know what you guys think. You see me? If you like it, definitely show the artist some love and support. Also drop your comments. Let me know what y'all think. You feel me? If I ask a question, please go ahead and address it so I can know. You see me? Because I asked you guys to vote on the name. It's in the community tab, so go over there and vote so you can tell the name. Also, I got a lot of stuff, and you know what I'm saying, the videos that I drop, these are just to test out these new content I'm gonna modify and stuff. So look out for that, gang. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. You don't know. Till next time, gang. It's the boy Jambisco here, and I hit on a smash now. Banga. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love, guys. Yeah, man.
DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector boy.